Greetings from Snake Mountain Boatworks on Wednesday, November 20, 2019. Here's an update on the 1953 12-foot Penn Yan Swift CZT model. As you can see, she's upside down. She's got a lot of zebra stripes. What we discovered once we flipped her, that our original goal of just sanding the paint and building up from there simply couldn't be attained. The paint was no longer adhering well to the canvas, so we stripped all the paint and all the filler. And after several conversations with Charlie Santi, who's widely recognized as one of the foremost restorers of Finger Lakes, New York boats, we decided to begin filling the canvas with total boat topside primer. We've put, what, RJ, 6 coats on at this point? Yep. And then Charlie recommended 3M Marine Premium Filler to fair the bottom. So I'll hand it off to RJ, who can talk about where we are at this point.
Before I laid the filler in, I went through and sanded all the primer down with 120 grit and tried to make it as smooth as I could and take all the grit out of it as best I could. Then Joey faired it all in with Bondo early this morning, and when I got here I started sanding in the Bondo that he had put in.
You mean the premium filler?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I call Bondo. It's Bondo for boats.
Bondo for boats. We never use, and you never, ever, ever want to have a can of automotive Bondo in your shop. Automotive Bondo absorbs moisture and just decays very, very rapidly. We've had a bunch of boats with that crap slathered all over it, and it's just a god-awful mess with, if I'm correct, lots of rot behind it, right?
Yeah.
Because it doesn't stay adhered.
Right. Once it pops, then water gets in behind it and just sits there. It is a canvas boat, so if you wanted it completely smooth and picture perfect, you could take this, I guess, and coat the whole thing and sand it down, but you wouldn't really have a canvas boat anymore. It'd be filled with the 3M, and it also sands really, really hard, so you'd have an unbelievable amount of work in front of you. But once I finish sanding all the Bondo up and do touch up with that and re-sand it, then we will be laying on, I think, a coat or 2 more of primer, and then we'll start putting coats of paint on.
Yep. George Kirby Jr. at Kirby Paints on the East Coast, a good friend of Snake Mountain Boatworks, is mixing us a couple of gallons of custom green. The owners would very much like this boat to be very close to British racing green. The whole hull, no thunderbolts, no swoops, nothing like that, just a single color. And we think that color is really going to complement the inside of the boat. So RJ will continue sanding and then go through the boat one last time with the premium filler, and from there we can do the priming and then begin applying the finish paint, the top coat paint, and it won't be too long before we've got her flipped over and are working on the inside, and she's really, her natural beauty is going to begin to really emerge. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.